Welcome back to my channel sportsscholar.edu. I am Kanika Rawal. Today's video is on expected question and answer from Unit 1 of Health and Physical Education subject, Grade 11 CBSE. Before we start the question and answer round, let us review the subtopics we read in the previous class. For those who have joined me new, I have pasted the link of my theory lesson in the description box below. You can go ahead, watch it, and then come back and try to answer the questions. Now, before we start, the entire CBSE Health and Physical Education paper is of 70 marks, wherein the first 20 marks is given to 1 marker, then 3 marker, there are 10 questions, 5 marker, there are 4 questions. So, total of a 70 marks. Now let's discuss the 1 marker question which are there of 20 marks. These questions are multiple choice question. Now how are they? Let's see. 1 marker question from the subunit aims and objective. What is the aim of physical education? A frequently asked question and very easy question too. I'm sure you must have answered by now. Wholesome development of an individual. Second question, again on the aim. Major aim of physical education is to ensure, yes, you're right, all-round development of an individual. Then, which of the following is not an objective of physical education given by H. Clarke? If you remember, I told you that the 4 authors which are given in your book are important to remember. Yes, the answer to this is worthy use of leisure time. Rest all 3 are given by H. Clarke. Now, who among the following has not given the objective of physical education? Yes, the answer to it is H.C. Puck. He has given the definition in your book. Now come the 1 marker from the second topic, careers in physical education. Traditional careers in physical education were focused on teaching. Now, I have taught you this in the theory lecture that there are 2 kinds of career categorized in your book as traditional career as well as the emerging career. When we talk about traditional career, these are teaching and coaching. But when we talk about the emerging career, the rest all comes under it. Which of the following courses is necessary to pursue a teaching related career in physical education? Yes, Bachelor of Physical Education. What is the full form of PSY? The options are, and the answer is Sports Authority of India. 1 marker question from next topic, competition in various sports at national and international level. Which of the following tournament is organized at national level? And mind it, here I am asking national level. Answer, Ranji Trophy, and it is organized for cricket. Which of the following is a multi-sports event? Answer, Olympics. The next question is, where and in which year the first Asian Games were held? And the options are on your screen. The answer to this is Delhi 1951. Always remember this question and its answer. The Asian Games were first hoisted by India in Delhi in 1951. Name the historical cricket test series which is played between England and Australia. Ashes Cup. Next 1 marker is from Khelo India program. As you can see the question on the screen, the Ministry of Youth, Sports and Youth Affairs introduced Khelo India program in the year 2016, 2017, 2015 or 2019. You have to select any one option out of this. The answer is 2017. Okay, so there must be sometimes contradictory answers to it because in few books it is given 2017-18, in few books they have written 2018 And here, as you can see in the question, there is 2017. So whenever these kind of confusion comes in, always opt for 2017. And the second thing to refer is to the book you are referring and your school is referring to. Next, how many components are included in Khelo India program? You can see the 4 options on screen. The answer is 12 here. But again, I'll say it's according to the book your school has asked you to continue in your 11th grade. In few books, only 10 components are given. In few books, the 12 components are given, which are also there in the Khelo India website. So it's completely dependent upon your book, and your teacher may frame the question according to the book. Because it's not a CBSE paper that the CBSE will frame it. Your teacher will frame it according to the book you people have been reading. Next comes the how much financial assistance is provided to new talented players from various sports disciplines. Options on the screen. Answer: 5 lakh per annum for 8 years. Second category of question is fill in the blanks. As shown on the screen, dash related opportunities are widely available in book writing in the field of physical education and sports. An answer to this is communication, media, career related. Second, Dash program was introduced to revive the sports culture in India. And I'm sure by now each one of you must be knowing the answer. Yes, Khelo India. You can see the other 3 options which are not there in your book, neither there in your course, but has been given as an option. This can be given, but you should write the answer what is given in your book. Then comes the match the followings, wherein there is list 1 having different sports and list 2 have respective competitions. Now let us match it. And the answer is B, that is football, FIFA Cup, badminton, Uber Cup, cricket, Ranji Trophy, athletic, Jesse Owens Trophy. And I'm sure you people must have also answered it correct. Not this question just, there can be many more questions like this only, wherein they give sports and respective competition, wherein they give years, wherein they give different kind of match the following with relation to the competition at national and international level. So you should be well versed with them too. So this unit is basically this subtopic is basically a memorizing one. Next question. Again you can see there are 2 lists, list 1 and list 2. In list 1 they have given different sports and their introduction years which are there. You can go ahead reading this while I am just explaining the other expected questions. There can be other sports here as well and their introduction here in list 2. Now if we talk about this question, I am sure you must have matched it. If not, please go ahead. Okay, so answer to this is C. Now here if you see, the Asian Games, we did this question earlier, was introduced in the year 1951. When we talk about the second, which is the Davis Cup, it was started in 1900. Federation Cup was started in the year, 1977. National Basketball Championship was started in the year 1952. So this is the answer to these games. Question of the day. So there are these 2 questions. Now you are supposed to answer these questions. I have taught you the theory part. Let's see how well you can answer. Please comment me in the comment section below and I'll be checking your answers and I'll be giving these answers in the next video. Don't worry, I'm not ending my video series right away. It's only that this video was specifically made for 1 markers and the next upcoming video will be for 3 markers and 5 markers expected in Unit 1. Thanks a lot for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like and share. See you soon.